Hi, my bargain-loving DIY friends. I'm sitting down by the fireplace today to tell you all about my new favorite store, POPSHELF. Hi everyone, my name is Shannon, the Daily DIYer, and we do budget-friendly DIYs around here. Things that are very inexpensive and easy to create while still staying on a budget. And so when I heard about POPSHELF years ago, I always dreamed of the day that I would also get to enjoy shopping in this store. So let me tell you how this has all come about. I have seen do it on a dime, even the crafty DIY guy showing the inside and shopping at these stores, and they looked amazing. Bargain friendly, really cute stuff, even craft supplies. And one day, my daughter actually sent me a TikTok and said, I want to go to this store, and it happened to be a POPSHELF. I told her, absolutely, I have wanted to go in this store for so long, and I wish that there was one in our area. And lo and behold, she said that there was one that they just opened, literally only about 30 minutes away from us. I could not believe it. So these things are popping up. Jump on their website. They have a store locator. You can see if there's one near you. So this week, the dream finally came true, and I was able to step inside a brand new POPSHELF. It was so new, actually, that there wasn't even a sign on the front of the building yet. So the only way I can describe this store is it's a combination of a Dollar Tree, Dollar General, and a little bit higher priced 5 and below. And today I'm going to break this store down by section, show you the store, show you some of my favorite finds, show you my haul and how I actually use the items that I purchased. So I love that this store has a whole seasonal section. So they had some leftover Valentine's Day, they were putting up Easter and spring, and then they also had a really great outdoor seasonal decor and gardening section that was probably one of my favorite areas. This would be a really great store to grab your Easter baskets and all the fun goodies that you want to put in those baskets. They also had some great decor. Fell in love with these adorable bunny wreaths for only $10. You probably could DIY them too, so that's an idea. And then they also had some cute other project ideas like these clear bunnies. They had DIY headbands that I thought would be fun, and some really inexpensive dollar kitty type crafts you could even use for your basket stuffers. They were still working on getting some of this out, but they had some really cute already made decor for Easter. Love the bunnies and the carrot cars and these little brass spinny signs. And then, as I said, I'm pretty sure the spring and gardening section is my favorite in this store because I'm so ready for spring, so ready to garden, so ready to clean up everything outside and kind of just start fresh and get some new decor. Love this little gardening hanger bucket. Thought it'd be cute to plant some plants in or use in your gardening station to put some of your gardening tools in. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to be going back soon for this section right here alone. Loved the vibe of this. We're going to be redoing our back porch for springtime, and once we get it all cleaned off and redone, I think I'm going to be using a lot of this decor, which is at a great price point. This wreath was only $15 to use as decor back there. They even had some really modern planters that were really, really pretty. These were only $6. Loved all the signs. Just loved it all. They also had some bigger planters. Also, lots of different variations, sizes. Some had stands. These were pretty cool. They had little hooks on the back so you could hang them off of your porch railings. These topiaries were the most expensive item I found in the store. They were $35 each, and they actually had a Dollar General tag on them, but I read the Dollar General is the one that opened the store and owns it, so that is probably why. They had a great selection of outdoor pillows. I'd been needing some, so I found these that were just really pretty and on trend. More the vibe I was going for with the tropical look this year. So I grabbed those, and they worked perfectly on our front porch chairs. They also have a whole home goods type area with home decor. My kiddos got so excited, they decided they were gonna redecorate their bathroom, so they had fun going through all of the bathroom decor and organization items for that. I was a little bit shocked to find this. This is a Threshold brand soap pump, which is actually a Target brand, so I guess they also carry some overstock and overflow from other stores. And then they also had lots of great kitchen decor tools, supplies, and I had been looking for a smaller cutting board. I found this one here and it was only $5, the perfect size to add to our kitchen. I had been wanting one to add a cute little candle to. This one is a Antique Candle Co. Mama's Kitchen. It smells so good. I'll link it down in the description box below if you want to check it out. Just added a little dish on there and some greenery, just another little extra special touch to our kitchen. I also purchased these. They are salad hands, but they are very, very nice. They are the walnut wood, and then the handles of them are also marble. So they're really, really nice, really sturdy, fancy, and at $8 was a good deal. They had a really awesome cleaning section too. I love Mrs. Meyer's, so they had a whole section full of that, along with Method brand, which is another Target brand as we know, but it's a great cleaning product too. They also had lots of other name brand cleaning supplies that you'll recognize, like Shout, Clorox, even Barkeeper's Friend, and Clean Shower, Lysol, tons of cleaning tools like scrubbers. These are really fun with the bamboo handles and the natural bristles. And then also the ones that you fill with soap that looked really nice with the extra attachment. And this is one that I did go ahead and pick up. I'd never seen it before. It's a kitchen sink scrubber and also squeegee. So I tested it out. It's great to use the scrubber and then use the squeegee to kind of get that water off of your countertop. Just kind of sweep it right into your sink. Pretty neat and not too bad at $3. One of the coolest things I found in this store is they actually have Dollar Tree items. So we even found some Clover Valley food brands, but the biggest section of all was their like mops and their dusters and their brooms and their dust mops. They had a whole section straight out of Dollar Tree, except the cool thing was these are only $1 versus Dollar Tree's new price of $1.25. So if you're looking to save those quarters, check POPSHELF because you'll be able to find, like I said, a lot of items for only $1 versus $1.25. So you all know we have our puppy Honey. We love her. We obviously spoil her pretty good. And so we love checking out the pet sections, and POPSHELF has their own pet section, not just dog stuff. They also had lots of cat things to choose from too. My absolute favorite find in this section were the matching collars and leashes for only $4. If you go to a pet supply store, they're gonna be double that and then some. So this is a great way to get a high-end look matching set for only $8. I love that they also had lots of fun dog beds. My son obviously loved the big fluffy one. He'd probably try to climb in it too, but we didn't get any of the dog beds. But what we did get was this fun lick mat. So it's basically a silicone mat, and on the backside it has suction cups on it. So we took that home, we used some doggy peanut butter, smeared that onto the mat. You can see there's different textures on there, and gave it to our little honey bun, and she absolutely loved it. I loved it because it did take her quite a while to get all that off of there with all the texture on it, so it does last for a while and you don't have to use a ton of peanut butter. And you know me, all about the crafts, all about the crafting supplies. They had so many different things to choose from. In the POPSHELF crafting section, these are some of my favorites. Tons of great findings from stickers, blank cards, cardstock, washi tape, a great set of scissors for only $5. They even had paper trimmers. They have a whole section for artists, from pens and pencils, and even some organization things there, palettes, canvases, sketchbooks, anything you'd need. Loved all the paint for only $2 each for acrylic paint. Lots of fun stuff for kiddos too, like styrofoam, pipe cleaners, pom-poms, felt, stickers, a whole section for the people that love the yarn crafting, knitting, the yarn loom, and crocheting. They had blank t-shirts. They had yarn, which was only $1 versus Dollar Tree's. It's $1.25 now. Lots of wood things, including monograms in all different sizes. They had needlework like embroidery kits, lots of different paintbrushes and stencils, scissors of all kinds, lots of different paints and glues and adhesives. Also really love that they also had wood stain in this store. And then next to all the paint and the wood stain was all the wood products, from chalkboards to picture frames to wood signs, clips, and even some chalk markers. Tons of flowers too for those that like to decorate and craft with them. I'm also all about the inexpensive decor, and they had so many different pillows. They had blankets, vases, picture frames, chalkboard signs. I mean, so many things. Really good prices on those too. I loved all the fancy candles, but my favorite thing of all in this whole wide world are lanterns, and they had gobs of them. Some of them had candles, some of them did not. I loved this one because they were solar powered with the candle in them, and that's just a nice find. And these were only $10 each, so also a great price. I thought this was pretty cool too. I know they have all the kitchen stuff, but they also have serviceware that you can buy per piece in fun, different colors. So they had rose gold, they had the traditional stainless steel, and these really cute little butter knives. They also had black, and then some fancier ones that were a combination of stainless, and they had a little bit of gold on them too. I love that the store had little sections that all coordinated together. Love this look and style, and this gold plate that was only $6. They also had this fun gardening theme with all the same colors, so it's easy to just grab so you can coordinate your decor. I was highly impressed by their party decor section. I love planning parties. It just gets me super excited. And our daughter's actually getting ready to graduate high school, so we have a big graduation to plan. She wanted a coral colored theme, so I found these balloons in the store. Great price, so cute. I can't wait to put these up at her party. Beyond that, they had beautiful party themes. They had fun party themes for little ones, for boys and girls, and just general themed ones that would be cute for Mother's Day or luncheons or bridal showers. So definitely check it out because you could get a really fancy party on a budget there very easily. So many great balloons to choose from. I love this end cap. Obviously has all the spring vibes, so you could use it for Easter, you could use it for a spring party, you could use it for Mother's Day, but I'm guessing these are kind of like gardenias maybe, but these plates were everything. Loving the gingham, loving the colors, loving the springiness of it, and I also love that they have so many different things to choose from that you can use to really amp up a party. These are some more detailed look into some of the other party themes that they had. They had a gaming theme. They had the cutest dinosaur theme with so many different cute things that coordinated with it, from balloons to candles, plates, and party hats and banners. I just thought it was the most cute thing. Then, as I said, lots of cute, just general party things that you can kind of pick and choose from or pick your color scheme. Loved all the metallic things that they had that makes your party feel a little bit more fancy or special, or for us, like we're gonna need for the graduation party. I have a DIY in the making, and I've been wanting one of these puck lights. This one actually came with a remote control, and it changes different colors, so this one will be fun. So stay on the lookout for this DIY. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet so you don't miss out on the DIYs and hacks that I share here on my channel weekly too. I loved this. I've seen these all decorated at craft stores, but what I loved about this is that it's plain. So I can add my own design onto this. We're getting ready to redecorate the back porch. And so that is where I want this to go. You'll have to, again, stay tuned for that. Staying on the practical side, we were needing a new shower curtain liner. So yes, there's a lot of fun stuff at the store, but there's also practical stuff too. So we grabbed one of these. So I told you I loved Mrs. Meyer's. That also looks really cute sitting on your countertop too. This is the peony scent. We purchased this at the beginning of the year and I really loved it. So we're about out restocking at the Pop Shelf. Also, we at our house are pretty much obsessed with these things. This is Stanley style cup, but it's a knockoff I found for cheaper on Amazon. I'll link it down below, but we all have these. And so I also found this scrubber guy. It's called a HydroFlow Sidekick. It's like a silicone rubber scrubby. So now we have a little bit easier way to clean these big O cups out. Going along right with the scrubber, they have tons and tons of cups. Love these. I actually use these for hot tea and my coffee. It keeps it hot longer. They had some Starbucks knockoff cups that were cute. Just some cute springy ones, but I mean, just tons of cups to choose from. It was also surprising to me that they had a whole jewelry section. They also had some really pretty sunglasses as well, but I did grab one pair of earrings that I thought were really pretty. These were only $5. I may have to do a whole video just on organizing with POPSHELF products because they had a boatload to choose from. Very impressed. Lots of good quality Rubbermaid, some unique things that I'd never seen. You can see there's tons of plastic bins and wire bins, some that were great for the kitchen or pantry or wherever on your countertop. Use them decorative. They also had things for organizing underneath your bed. They had things for organizing your shoes and your boots. They had things for hanging off of your cabinet doors that kind of amplifies the amount of storage space that you have. I also loved this basket that kind of hangs on a shelf, so it gives you that tiered shelf effect for only $5, so good prices on those. Lots of rubber and some natural jute storage bins. Cool, really pretty acrylic storage items that you can use in your bathroom or on your vanity for things like Q-tips and cotton balls and your jewelry or your makeup brushes, and again, really good price points on these. They also have this cool expandable bakeware stand for your casserole dishes and maybe even your pots and pans it would work for. And then this is my favorite find of all. It's a corner pantry organizer. So I don't have a corner pantry. I don't need this, but if you do, that's a great way to keep things organized and kind of contained when you have those awkward corner spaces. Collapsible dish rack, that was really nice. A spice rack, tiered holder there. Things you can put in your drawers and things that are easily wiped out and cleaned, like these silicone bins. You guys will have to let me know down in the comments below if you have a POPSHELF in your area and if you like to shop there or not. This was my first time in, as I said before, and it was a lot of fun. My kids really enjoyed it. There was a good selection. There were some products I thought that were kind of overpriced, or products that I thought I could make that for cheaper. You know, I think we all of us crafters and creators do that. But I still think that there was a lot of really great things that were a good price, really unique things that were kind of convenient that you could grab while you were there, which was nice as well. And it was just a fun experience, so we can't wait to go back. If you please could take a second, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet, and I want to thank you all so much for joining me today. I will see you in the next one. Have a creative day.